Pyllait ke NPP ya ke Thup Kyrteng ban Nyngkong Jong Ngut ki Kyrtong ki ban yakun ya ke election GHADC kaban salong mentau snem. Ha ke jingkren kilat bathai khubor u Marcus and Marang u balong unong aiktien ka parti ula pentip ba ka parti kala Pyllait ya ke Kyrteng Ngut ki Kyrtong na ki tli ki constituency ki ban yakun ya ke election jong ke GHADC kat ba ya Ngut na ki santli ki constituency ka parti kadang ban yo ya ke jing minjur na ke state election committee na kita ki Thup Kyrteng jong ki Ngut ki Kyrtong Ngut kidei ki sitting MDC. U Marcus Marang ula pentip ru ba ka parti kambansi ban pindu tiket ya u Albinus Marang u balong u CEM bat MDC na ka Siju constituency na kidau bamlakyar.
This is especially regarding the GHADC elections to be held early part of this year. From the NPP party, today the state committee has approved the first list of candidates that have been sent from the regional committee, which has been thoroughly examined based on the winnability, loyalty, integrity, and past political experiences. And from different sources, we have taken the report, and based on that, the regional committee has decided and recommended to the state committee. And today, the state committee, under the leadership of Sir Preston Song, who is also the state president of NPP Meghalaya State Unit, has approved the list of candidates sent by the regional committee. So therefore, I will name out the name of the candidates against their constituency number. So I'll name out from number one, that is accordingly, their number one. Number one, Siju constituency. After thorough discussions and different rounds of meetings, we have come to the conclusion to consider the candidature of Sri Khalis G. Moman. To Wagesuk, same for this constituency also, we have decided to fill Sri Jevil S. Marak as NPP candidate. Fifth, Gaswapara, Sri Sengchum N. Sangma. 6. Baringapara, Sri Kapilson A. Sangma. 7. Babelapara, Sri Rakesh A. Sangma. 8. Amongpara, Sri Balsrang Areng. 9. Tura, Sri Charming Star N. Sangma. 10. Dengnakpara, Sri Kreditson C.H. Marak. 12. Nogorpara, Sri Lainekar K. Sangma. 13. Jigjak, Sri Sanjay A. Sangma. 14. Beta Singh, Sri Sanjay Koch. 15. Rochonpara, Sri Arbinston B. Marak. 16. Asanang, Sri Anseng A. Sangma. 17. Balachanda, Sri Andres C.H. Marak. 18. Batabari, Sri Maxwell M. Sangma. 19. Shyamnagar, Sri Peter Job A. Sangma. 22. Jenjal, Sri Graham Bell A. Sangma. 23. Rongrong, Sri Sunny Rogers G. Moman. 24. Bolsong, Sri Pongseng R. Marak. 25. Damas, Sri Doli K. Sangma. 26. Kharputa, Sri Modi M. Sangma. 27. Samandagri, Sri Nihim D. Shira. 28. Darugri, Sri Henen R. Sangma. 29. William Nagar, Sri Singbat R. Marak. So these are the candidates in the first list. 24 number of candidate has been finalized. Rest only 5 constituencies are left, which will be decided very soon and will be declared accordingly. So these are the one. Any questions?
So which means like you're going to contest in all
From all the 29 constituencies.
and from among these from among those names which you have listed out, like how many of them are sitting MDCs and how many of them are?
Well, sitting MDCs are like sitting in Singchum, who is also the MLA of Chokpot constituency. He is also the sitting MDC. And Babelapara, Sri Rakesh A. Sangma is a sitting MDC. And Nogorpara, Sri Lainikar K. Sangma is a sitting MDC. Beta Singh Sri Sanjay Koch is also the sitting MDC. Rochonpara, Sri Arbiston B. Marak, who is also MLA of Selsela constituency, is also the sitting MDC there. And Jenjal, Grahambel A. Sangma is also sitting MDC. Then Darugri, Sri Henan R. Sangma is also a sitting MDC. Only these are the. Oh, Asanam, Ansing A. Sangma is also a sitting MDC.
Another thing, sir,
I have not counted, there are lots of candidates applied for NPP ticket. In some of the constituencies, around seven is the largest number of candidates who have applied for the party tickets in different constituencies. Minimum is 2-3. So it was very difficult on our part also to reject anybody from the list. So that is why we have taken so much of time. We have been meeting the candidates one-on-one. This has been done by National President himself, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, who is also National President, and also our senior leaders and myself. We have been meeting all these applicants, those candidates who are seeking party ticket. So we have been meeting them, we have been consulting them, so that we get their support, we get their cooperation also in the forthcoming elections. With great difficulty, one more thing I wanted to inform you. We have denied ticket to the sitting CEM who was representing Siju constituencies. It was with great difficulty we have come to this decision, because question of winnability is also there. So therefore we have denied him the ticket, but we are requesting his cooperation with party's decision. Constituencies which is pending for finalization of the candidates, those are Raksamgri, Nagwapara, Boldamgri, Silkigri, Rongrikamgri. These 5 constituencies are the one which will be decided in the last phase of the election committee meeting.